ladies, my name is Lori and I will never diet again. I'm a conservative Christian, a wife, mother, grandmother, pastor's wife, and my family and I have lived in Mexico since 2004. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Welcome to my kitchen. Ladies, I've got a new recipe for you. I'm going to make green salsa. I've been eating it lately and it's just so delicious. I have to share it with you. This is actually my first time making it. This recipe, I not only found it online, but asked a nice Mexican lady in the grocery store who basically gave me the same recipe, so this has got to be it. So the first thing you do is you're going to pick out about 2 cups of those tomatillo, little tiny green tomatoes, and the smaller the better, because the smaller they are, the less acidic they will be, and that will make for a great flavor. You're going to bring them home, wash them off. Also, you're also going to use a serrano pepper, a green one, a fresh one. They're the little skinny ones, and you're going to bring your water to a boil. There's my serrano pepper, and these are the little tomatillos, and as soon as the skin starts cracking on them, it's almost ready. You want them to be cracking open. That's when they'll be ready to be used. They'll be cooked through enough. At sea level, that will probably be less than 10 minutes. And then the other ingredients that you're going to add are 2 or 3 garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup of diced white onion, and it's actually the onion and the garlic are to your taste, to your liking. Some cilantro. Right now I'm soaking it with some vegetable drops to kill any parasites that might be on those leaves, and just add to your liking how much that you would like in your salsa. Put it in your blender and you're going to blend it till it's the consistency that you like, and then you can add that salsa to your food, and you can also add salt and pepper to it, whatever you like, and enjoy. All right, the lady told me to not let them get brown. You can't tell, but they're a little darker green. They're starting to turn color, so I don't want them to be any darker. I'm going to drain this off. I'm going to cut the stem off of my serrano pepper, and I'm going to put it in my blender. Here I'm doing this one-handed, and you can't tell how dark they're turning, the darker brown. That one's already broken open, so that is done. My serrano pepper over here, cut off the stem. If it's too spicy, you can take out the little peppers. Also, you can use jalapeño peppers. I'm questioning which one is spicier, jalapeno or serrano, but you can use either one. You could use 1 to 3 peppers. This one's smelling pretty spicy. Be really careful about touching this pepper. If you want to take out the seeds, you can. I'm going to risk it and put it in there. I hope I don't burn my stomach off. Put in 2 cloves of the garlic, and I'm going to add probably a 1/4 cup of this onion. And I probably should have liquefied it a little bit. Then I'll add a good handful of the fresh cilantro. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I hope I don't burn out my stomach. It's really spicy. Definitely want to add some salt. Darren thinks about it.
Ooh, I think it's great. A little sour cream.
A little sour cream on top, she says. Yeah, it's spicy, but it was even spicier until I added a cup of water. So I added a cup of water to it. Yes, I'm glad I didn't take her advice and use 2 peppers. So I hope you're having a great day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe, please.